Field Secretary, Captain Spalding.
On my informing you of these conditions under which he comes here. For one thing, he is very strict. He wants the women young and picked, and as for men, he don't want any bums here. And as for men, he don't want any bums here. There must be no bums. The men must all be very old. The women love the that he comes here. I'm announcing Captain Jeffrey Spalding. He's announcing Captain Jeffrey Spalding. Oh dear, he is coming. At last he's here.
Well, how much do I owe you? What, from Africa to here, $135? Why, that's an outrage. I told you you shouldn't have come up through Australia, that it was all torn up. You should have come right up 8th Avenue. Turn the rear around. I want to see your plates. I don't think you fellows are on the square.
Captain Spalding.
I'll attend to you in a minute. Don't try to pull something like that over on me again.
Captain Spalding?
Why? You're one of the most beautiful women I've ever seen, and that's not saying much for you.
Captain Spalding, Rittenhouse Manor is entirely at your disposal.
Well, I'm certainly grateful for this magnificent washout. I mean, turnout. And I feel that I ought to say something. Hello, I must be going. I'm glad I came, but just the same, I must be going. I cannot stay, I came to say I must be going.
For my sake you must stay, for if you go away, you'll spoil the party I am throwing.
I'll stay a week or two, I'll stay the summer through, but I am telling you, I must be going.
Before you go, will you oblige us and tell us of your deeds so glowing?
I'll do anything you say, in fact I'll even stay.
Good.
But I must be going.
Captain is a moral man, sometimes he finds it trying.
This fact I emphasize with stress. I never take a drink unless somebody's buying.
The captain is a very moral man.
If he is anything obscene or naturally repellent,
I hate a dirty joke, I do, unless it's told by someone who knows how to tell it.
The captain is a very moral man. Hooray for Captain Spalding, the African explorer.
Did someone call me Schnorrer?
Hooray, hooray, hooray.
If I stay here, I'll go nuts.
Hooray, hooray, hooray. He put all his reliance in courage and defiance and risked his life to science.
Hey, hey.
Hooray for Captain Spalding, the African explorer. He brought his name undying fame, and that is why we say hooray, hooray, hooray.
My friends, I am highly gratified for this magnificent display of effusion, and I want you all to know
Hooray for Captain Spalding.